back to our channel. For today's video, we are going to be doing some DIYs, and you may hear some puppies in the background. Both of our dogs are here, so just to give you a heads up. But for today's video, we are going to be doing 3 different DIYs with things that inspired us from other stores. So things that we really liked, but we wanted to see if we could recreate them ourselves.
For a cheaper price as well.
And so all of the things, or most of the things, are from the dollar store. We do have a few things that we got from Walmart, like some paint and some painting supplies, but all in all, most of it is from the Dollar Tree.
So we hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and let's go ahead and get into the video.
So for the first DIY, we are going to be doing this wall decor piece. And
we'll insert a picture right here for you guys to see our inspiration for this.
Yep.
So this is the supplies we're going to need. So the first thing is the burlap here. It just comes in like a spool like this from the Dollar Tree.
And then there's also these 3-pack of metal words or sayings from the Dollar Tree. And they're like that galvanized silver that we used in our past wreath DIY. And we're gonna use that one that says Harvest today.
And then you'll just need one of these wooden picture frames. And we did kind of create already a burlap picture frame that you guys seen in a previous DIY. And we're gonna kind of follow that same thing, but adding just a little twist to it make it for fall time.
All right, so then what we're going to do next is just paint the word harvest using white paint. And this is just acrylic paint in the color white. So then we're just gonna go ahead and let this dry, and then we'll add a second coat in just a little bit, but we'll keep going on with the DIY.
Okay, so now we are just opening up our picture frame.
I'm just gonna take the backing off so we can put the burlap on top of the glass.
So now we are putting the ribbon horizontally, and we're just gonna go ahead and cut it to the edge of the glass.
And just do that many rows until the entire piece of glass is covered.
And you're gonna go ahead and fold a piece down to whatever size you want. So just fold it down, and then we are gonna kind of scrunch it like this and put a burlap over it. We're just gonna put the glue in the center here. Kind of scrunch it together.
So then I'm just cutting a strip of like burlap going horizontally so we can like tie it. So we'll just go ahead and glue that to the frame. And then we just stuck the leaf in, but we'll just add a tiny little bit of hot glue to make sure it stays in there.
Okay, so now we are going to put back in our glass piece.
And then too, once you put it in the frame, you'll notice a few spots that may need to be touched up a little bit. So we're just gonna add a little extra glue. All right, so guys, next we're just gonna go ahead and glue the word harvest onto the frame.
And now we're just scuffing it up a little bit. We kind of like how there's some little pieces of the galvanized coming through. So we're just kind of using our fingernail and kind of distressing it. And so now it looks like this. Alright you guys, so for the next DIY, you're going to need this tray from Dollar Tree. And the back of it is just like this kind of like black color, and it is plastic. It was silver before, and we just spray painted it with the Rust-Oleum chalk paint in linen white. Then you will also need a wall decal, and this one is from the Dollar Tree as well. And so we're gonna go ahead and put that onto the tray and create your own custom Thanksgiving, fall type tray for your guests.
Yeah, and we'll try and include a picture too of kind of where we drew the inspiration from as well.
All right, so let's go ahead and get into this DIY. All right, you guys, so we got our tray, and now we're gonna go ahead and add our quote. All right, you guys, so this is what it looks like with all of it attached here. And now we're just gonna go ahead and freehand a pumpkin. We're first gonna draw it out, and then we will go ahead and paint it. That is what it looks like with the pumpkin on there and the leaves and the Be Grateful. All right, you guys, so for the next DIY and our last one, we are going to be using this sign here, and then we'll also insert the clip of what our inspiration is. And we are actually using the back, and so this is the front of it, and you could do another coat on here, but we just plan on hanging it up so you don't need it. And so we're gonna be using the back side of it, and we're gonna create some like little black shiplap on it, and then we're going to write Happy Fall, y'all.
I'm gonna try and freehand it.
Yeah. And then we're gonna put a bow right at the center up there. So let's go ahead and get into this DIY. Just adding a little bit of white in there just to kind of lighten them up just a little bit, kind of on the outsides.
And theoretically you should have a smaller brush, but this is all we got right now.
Yeah, we kind of forgot that part. Okay, now we're going to add just the little dimples on the side of the pumpkin there, just using permanent marker. All right, you guys, so we traced it out with pencil first, and now we're gonna go ahead and take the Sharpie and finish the pumpkin. All right, you guys, so here is the final product of the sign. It looks so cute and it's almost identical to the original. All right, you guys, so here is our DIYs. We just kind of put them all on the table so you guys could take a look, and they all look great. So we're gonna zoom in on them and kind of show you each one of them. Alright you guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and we hope you are loving these fall DIYs because they are so fun to make.
Yeah, these are like some of our favorite ones we've ever made.
Yeah, so we hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you are subscribed to our channel, and we'll catch you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.